Hey guys, Bruce T here and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to install this tank bag on my 2019 BMW R 1250 GS Adventure. I got this tank bag off of eBay from the United Kingdom and they shipped it to America and then put it on a slow boat to get here. I ordered it around March 18th and finally April 30th I received it. So today I'm going to put it on the bike. I like having a tank bag on my bike because it's where I keep my wallet and my phone, and I also put something to clean my visor in case I get some bugs built up on my screen. So today I'm going to put this on, show you guys how to install it, and tell you how I feel. I know I'm going to like it because I got one on my other GS Adventure, but let's put this on and see how it goes. First thing I'm going to do is cut off this extra stuff that I don't need. Today I'll be using my Hex Pro Star Kit that I got off of Amazon. This is a good kit to have. It has some star bits to work on your bike. If you don't have one, I'll put a link in the description below. And it's a handy tool to have. Alright, so we open this up inside, and inside you got some straps and a very thick accessory manual. And this is a hand carry strap that you can keep on the bike. So I'll just leave that in there for now. This we don't need right now. This is very thick. It's got instructions in every language and incredible. I've never seen a book so thick just for a tank bag. We don't need instructions. Alright, so the tank bag comes with these mounts to put under the seat and mount them underneath. And the front one has this little tab that goes up and mounts to the frame. So first thing I'm going to do is take my seat off to give me better access so I can figure out where to mount this. Alright, first step is we're going to remove these two bolts that hold on the seat attachment adjustment, and we're going to replace it with the bolts provided in the kit. For this step we're going to use the T27 to take those off. Okay, I'm going to do one at a time so this piece doesn't come completely off. So first I'm going to put it in the right orientation and then just connect it up. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side, mount it through the tab and mount it up. Alright, I got the back of the tank bag mounts mounted, now I just got to do the front. In the front I want to remove this bolt here, so I'm going to just do that right now. Okay, I got the front one out. It's a little tricky to get your fingers up in there, but it will come out, and getting enough torque on it to loosen it up was a little bit of a challenge, but with this torque bit I was able to put enough to loosen it, and then it just spun right out. Alright, I got my screw through the hole. Now I'm just going to drop it in and screw it in. Alright, I got the front snugged up. Now I just got to route the strap and mount the bag. So for the front it does have Velcro. What you want to do is just undo the Velcro, route it through that tab, and then Velcro it back up. Alright, I routed it through and velcroed it down, and it should look something like this. And next thing I gotta do is just connect the tank bag. So I'm going to connect the top of the tank bag first. That way I can let it hang. And I want to be careful to adjust everything so it fits well. Alright, so right off the bat it's adjusted pretty well and it fits pretty snugly. I'm going to put the seat on and see how it goes. Alright, I got my seats back on. Last thing I got to do is just tighten up these straps so it's tight as I want this bag. Alright, the bag came with the rain flap deployed, so I just got to roll this back up and tuck it under the straps to hold it in place. Alright, after rolling it up, you just route the elastic strap over the little plastic nub to make sure it's tight. You only deploy this when it rains to keep your stuff dry on the inside, so I'm just going to do that right now. Alright guys, as you can see, the tank bag's mounted up and it wasn't that hard to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's see if you guys can get me up to 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate that. I'll keep pushing these videos out and give you guys some useful tips, and I hope you enjoy them. So until next time, I'll see you guys later, and have a good day.